Hey guys, it's Jackie here again. This video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your ad. So you've already taken a look inside your ad to see what's working and what's not working. Now, either way, whether you have an ad or an ad set, I should say, that's working or not working, we can either duplicate a working ad to create a second ad with a different audience or a different image or video. Or we can try and take an ad that's not working and turn it into something that's working. So I'm going to go into I'm going to go into my new ad actually. This is my campaign, so I want to click on the campaign because that's the highest level of the ad. And now I'm in the ad set. Okay, it says ad set right here. That's how you know you're in the right place. Because I have two ad sets, you probably will only have one for right now. That's why mine looks a little bit different. You'll probably just have that top row. Okay, so let's say that this ad that has three leads on it isn't going that great, which it's not, and I want to try and optimize that to be a little bit better here. So I'm going to just hover over this little pen and paper, and I'm going to say duplicate ad set. Okay, now I want it to be the same campaign. Okay, so we're good. I want it to be a copy of the ad set that I have here, and I definitely want it to be the same ad that I'm running for right now. Okay, so, but I want to change a couple things about my ad set here. So let's edit that. I'm going to change the name of my ad set to, let's say, Bellingham plus interests. And it's going to be 35 to 57 again because that's my target market. Okay, now my ad is different than yours. I used a conversion, so you can just ignore that part. You're using a lead ad for yours. My budget, I'm just going to say is $5. I like to test things in the $5 range. Okay, and my audience, I've got my audiences here. These are all custom audiences already, okay? I don't have any interest targeting in here. It's just custom audiences. So if I were going to add some interests, let's say, let's just go with some of these that are here. Better Homes and Gardens, and House Beautiful, sure. And I love Country Living and Nordstrom. I'm just putting some generic interests here that to give this ad an example. Okay. And then this button here says expand interest when it may increase conversions at a lower cost per conversion. Okay, sure, Facebook, sure, do that for me. That's fine. At my $5 a day range, it says that I'm expected to reach 260 to 690 people per day, and that my potential reach is 34,000 people. I'm cool with that. Okay. If this was an audience that you wanted to save to use again in the future, you could save and name that audience. I'm not, because I'm just using this as an example. And because, again, because of the simplicity of this challenge, we're just going to choose automatic placements. A lot of times, actually most times for my ad, I choose specific placements, but we're not going to quite get into that today. Okay, and then we will save and continue. Okay, now let's say, so it takes me back here. What else do you want to change about your ad? I still want the same campaign. I already changed my ad set. Now let's say if you wanted to change something about your ad, this is where you would do it. You could change it to a video, okay? This is going to be my #1 recommendation for you guys for your lead ad, okay? Change your image to a video. Seriously. All you're going to have to do here is change your ad name to video ad, or whatever you want to name your video, right? And in here, video or slideshow, we're going to change the video, and you could totally put in whatever other video you have or upload a new video. Okay? So, and then you would save and continue and just, let's see, it should give me the option to just go for it here, place the order. Okay? Place the order. So the reason that you want to duplicate your ad sets instead of creating a new ad set is, one, because the ad goes with you when you duplicate your ad set. Okay? Obviously, the ad came along with the ad set. If you just create a new ad set, you'll have to create your ad all over again. And number two, your social proof goes with you. So if you have any likes or shares or comments or anything on your ad, that's going to go with your ad set. And three, it saves you a lot of time. Who's not into that, right? So just duplicate your ad. You can do this. I would recommend probably doing this once you find an audience, a targeting audience that's working well for you. I would do this maybe every week to every 2 weeks, is change up that ad. So you just, again, quick review. Go in and duplicate. I'm not actually going to run that. Go in and just duplicate your ad set. Change your ad, change the video, change the text if your ad offer is changing, or anything about your audience that you need to. So if you need to change your targeting, this is where you could do it here as well. Don't go in and change your ad set from the original ad, okay? That will mess up your ad. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. Oops. Go back to the ad set. Don't go in and edit the ad set, okay? Facebook's algorithm does not like that, doesn't like it when you make changes. It's almost like your ad is walking along down the street and then all of a sudden it like trips and falls, okay? It just totally messes up the momentum of your ad. So if you want to make any changes, let's say if you're like, well, this ad obviously isn't working for me, or my targeting is not working for me, my relevance score is like a 3, nobody's clicking on my ad, and you think it's not the ad, you think it's the targeting, don't go in and change the targeting. Duplicate the ad set and change the targeting for that new ad set, and then just turn off the ad. So if you don't like this one anymore, I can just toggle over and turn off that ad set, okay? And now I've just got the $5 or $10, actually I'm running this a $10 ad, $10 daily budget. But you must know that when you have several ad sets in here in your ad, that your budget is 10 plus 10 plus whatever else you've got going on. It's not 10 total, it's 20 total here. All right, so that's a lot of information, I know, but I think you can handle it. So take a look at your ad, decide what you're going to do. Are you going to let it run longer? Are you going to optimize it so that you can change your ad or change your targeting? All right, make a decision and go.